Welcome to JH. I finally picked up the Sondur travel cushion because I was tired of arriving at my destination with a neck that felt like it had been through a car wash. Right away, you can tell this is light years ahead of those sad, horseshoe-shaped things they sell at airport gift shops. It's supportive yet soft, actually cradling your neck and preventing your head from lolling into awkward, vertebrae-snapping angles. Because let's be honest, nobody looks good waking up on a stranger's shoulder covered in their own drool. The material is breathable and cozy, staying cool even after hours of use, which is a miracle considering most travel pillows eventually turn into a portable sauna. It holds its shape perfectly and refuses to go flat, unlike those budget options that have the structural integrity of a wet paper towel. It's impressively portable too, compressing down easily, so you're not that person struggling to fit a giant stuffed donut into an overhead bin. It feels durable and well-made, giving me the confidence that it will actually survive more than one trip. Using this cushion has honestly made the miserable experience of modern travel significantly less exhausting. I feel more rested and way less sore when I finally land, which makes the investment completely worth it. It's one of those items you don't realize you need until you actually try it. Once you do, you'll never want to face a middle seat without it again.